Folks all across Montana are relatively familiar with this plane right behind me. This is a DC-10 aerial firefighting tanker, which drops fire retardant all across fires here in Montana.
10 Tanker, an aerial firefighting organization, has 5 planes just like this one, serving communities like Montana, Washington, and even as far as Nebraska to help stop the spread of wildfires. Though the job of dropping fire retardant is an important one, it's equally as important to have the aircraft working in tandem with ground crews.
We're building walls around fires. We're not extinguishing. That's for the ground guys and gals to get a hold of. We're building walls to stop or at least slow the progress of the fire so that they can get in there with the heavy equipment, bulldozers, hand lines.
Residents in and around the Helena area saw 2 different DC-10 aircraft help crews contain the Matt Staff fire that burned nearly 1,600 acres in early August, which is the height of the season for DC-10 crews. But the planes aren't here year-round.
Typically, we have contracts that go from early July through September, and those can be extended if needed, if the fire year warrants it. But I'd say our most active seasons to have planes on this base are between July and September.
Smithley describes the DC-10 as
a fully loaded fuel tanker on the bottom of that airplane,
capable of holding 9,400 gallons of fire retardant. And while the option to dump all of it at once is there, he says they're able to make several different smaller passes over sites to help corral fire before it spreads any further.
This system is so capable that we can do 6 or 7 drops out of a single load, depending on what the ground firefighters need and the aerial supervision wants us to do with it.
Though through it all, the long hours, the stressful situations, Smithley says the aerial crews that do this type of work love what they do.
We really love serving the states that we're in at the time. The people below us is not lost on us when we're working fire.
In Helena, Sam Hoyle, MTN News.